Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. So we have got all the major global cryptocurrency news from the past week for you in the show. But before, let's have a look at the market report.
So Bitcoin was trading around $1,03,600, down 1%. Over the past 24 hours, the decline comes amid the mounting geopolitical tension, profit-taking activity, and a high publicized fallout between Donald Trump and Elon Musk events that have casted a shadow over the broader crypto market sentiment. The ripple effect is evident across the major altcoins. Ethereum has fallen by 5%, and DOGE was trading lower by 8%. Binance BNB slipped by 4%, was trading close to around $642, and Solana was trading lower by 3%. Notably, the official Trump token has also plummeted by 10%.
MicroStrategy has acquired 705 BTC for $75.1 million, averaging $106,495 per coin. The company has achieved a 16.9% yield so far in 2025.
So as of June 1, 2025, Strategy holds 580,955 BTC bought for a total of $40.68 billion at an average price of $70,023 per Bitcoin. Now, this move demonstrates continued confidence and strong performance in Bitcoin investment.
Meanwhile, Strategy plans to raise $250 million through an initial public offering of a new class of perpetual preferred stock so it can fund more Bitcoin purchases.
Moving on, Writer Logtech Holdings Limited, focusing on real estate and logistics technology, unveiled a major financial decision to help them grow outside Hong Kong.
So according to a recent filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the company wants to put up to $1.5 billion towards purchasing Bitcoin.
Now, the move shows that its Writer Logtech is updating its approach to treasury, aiming to strengthen its ability to handle shifting financial situations.
Moving on, Paris-based cryptocurrency firm Blockchain Group has acquired $68 million of Bitcoin, joining a growing wave of European institutions adding BTC to their balance sheets.
Well, the Blockchain Group, which claims to be Europe's first Bitcoin treasury firm, has acquired 624 Bitcoin for $68.7 million.
The latest acquisition brings the firm's total holdings to 1,471 Bitcoin, or over $154 million, with the BTC yield of 1,097.6% YTD, the Blockchain Group announced in a June 3rd X post.
Moving on, Classover Holdings, an edtech company valued at $63 million, has secured a major funding deal with Solana Growth Ventures.
The company signed an agreement to issue up to $500 million in senior secured convertible notes to boost its Solana-based treasury reserve.
And this move is critical and crucial as Classover faces short-term liquidity issues with a very low current ratio of 0.02, indicating pressure on its working capital.
The contract provides for an initial payment of $11 million, which will be made once the standard closing conditions are met.
Moving on, Chinese mobility and hospitality firm Webus International has taken a big step towards using cryptocurrency in its business.
The company recently filed paperwork with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, revealing plans to create a $300 million treasury focused on XRP, the digital token tied to Ripple's blockchain.
Well, Webus intends to secure these funds without issuing extra shares, so existing owners won't have their stakes reduced.
Instead, it will rely on loans, credit lines, shareholder guarantees, and its own cash, demonstrating its desire to maintain control while investing heavily in XRP.
Moving on, Pro-Crypto SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce has stated that the agency would consider in-kind redemptions for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds.
The SEC initially approved Bitcoin ETFs in early 2024. On the verge of the approval, BlackRock agreed to exclude in-kind redemptions, giving to a key demand from the regulator.
Now, if in-kind redemptions are allowed, investors would be able to receive the actual underlying asset instead of cash.
This model is considered to be more streamlined since authorized participants would be able to exchange ETF shares directly for Bitcoin.
Moving on, New York Stock Exchange (RACA) has filed paperwork with the SEC to launch a fund issued by Truth Social, owned by Trump Media and Technology Group.
The proposed fund, named Truth Social Bitcoin ETF, would track the price of Bitcoin similar to existing spot Bitcoin ETFs.
That's right. And Yorkville America Digital, in partnership with Trump Media, is behind the filing, with Forest Dax Trust Company said to be the fund's custodian if approved.
Moving on, Russia's leading trading platform with a $14 trillion volume, Moscow Exchange, has launched ruble-based Bitcoin ETF futures trading, marking a historic integration of cryptocurrency into the nation's financial system.
Now, as per the report by local news agency TASS, this new financial instrument is available exclusively to all the qualified investors, reflecting Russia's cautious yet progressive embrace of digital assets within traditional markets.
The Bitcoin contracts are reportedly benchmarked to IBIT, the US-listed spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund issued by BlackRock. It will show market pricing in USD and settle contracts in the Russian native currency, the ruble.
Moving on, stablecoin issuer Circle prices its New York Stock Exchange IPO under the ticker CRCL at $31 per share, up above its expected price range.
The stablecoin issuer raised $1.1 billion in its IPO, giving the company a valuation of $6.9 billion. CRCL will begin trading on Thursday in New York.
So that's all in this episode of Weekly Wrap. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.
And this is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.